saying that ideally a really core part of an industrial strategy would be to grow manufacturing's contribution of GDP from 10% to 15%.
Yeah.
I've seen you say that some people believe that to be quite a fanciful idea. I mean, what would you say in response to those people?
Well, first of all, I doubt whether it's really 10%. I think it's more like 20%.
Well, we feel the same. Yeah, when you look at all of the supply chain.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. And if you look at all the effect on local communities and everything else, I think the real effect to GDP of manufacturing in this country is greater than the 10% that's stated. I think that's important. But by adding another 5% to it, that's about another £150 billion of GVA. And that's possible. We're in this absolutely sweet spot at the moment where we've got all these new technologies to deploy and manufacture in this country. We've got an enormous infrastructure build-out program, for example, the National Grid. That's going to create thousands of jobs building equipment for the build-out of the extension of the National Grid, for example. And we have those sorts of opportunities ahead of us. And we have, of course, the side effect of the geopolitical tensions is more and more people looking to onshore their supply chains. Yeah. Taken together, that's easily 15% using the government's measure of GDP. So we should have that set as a clear ambition for the sector.